In today's video, I will guide you through simple DIY project to create a stunning piece of traditional Indian art form. This video tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to add a touch of culture and serenity to their home decor. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Main material required for this art are MDF board, Fevicryl molded clay. You can even get pouch of this clay. 4-5 pouch are enough for this art. And colors. Rest material you can figure out as video advances. I divided this tutorial in 4 parts, that is marking and drawing, applying clay, painting and sticking mirrors. First, for drawing design, we need to find center of this board. For that I will use newspaper and draw outline of the board and cut. Now fold it like this and mark center. With same paper, mark the 4 quarters and other reference lines. With compass, I drawn small circle. To draw bigger circle, I use hacksaw blade like this. These reference lines are very useful while drawing design. So here in this circle, we will draw head of Buddha, and here we will draw some design. If you find it difficult to draw Buddha face, you can draw it on some paper and then trace that on the board. Or you can simply print and trace that image from the internet. I drew this simple design and Buddha face. With this our first part is over. Now let's move to the second part, that is applying clay. I made this simple setup by sticking plastic pouch to my cutting mat to mold clay. Apply some talcum powder on the plastic and hands so that clay won't stick on the surface. Molded clay has 2 parts, resin and hardener. When you mix both you get clay, and this clay dry fast after mixing. So here's simple tip, mix only small quantity of each at a time. Like here, I am cutting 1/3 at a time. Mix them well. Roll them like this to make a smooth consistent rope. Since I am not good in rolling, I will use this wooden block to roll. This method gives nice, smooth and consistent rope. If you don't have wooden block, you can use any flat surface like plastic lid or box. Now apply glue on the outline. And slowly stick clay rope. Here I am using clay modeling tool to align and cut clay rope. If you don't have this equipment, you can even use small stick or toothpick, cutter, etc. For making curls on head, I simply roll the clay rope like this. Stick them using glue. It is said that these round curls on Buddha's head are snails. When Buddha was in deep meditation, 108 snails climb onto his head and form protective layer to shield him from the sun. In recognition of their sacrifice, these snails are often depicted as coiled curls on Buddha's head in many images. Adjust and stick the remaining clay rope. While making pointed end, cut like this. Align and join their ends. This small attention to details create a big difference in final outcome of the art. So take your time to beautify your art. With that, our second part is over. Now let's move to the third part, that is painting. I will apply this white gesso onto the base. You can even paint it with white chalk paint. Reason behind this is simple. Our base is dark in color. Applying the white primer will ensure other colors appear more vivid and striking. Carefully apply paint in all the intricate part of the board. After drying, you can draw face details again using pencil. For painting face, I use acrylic colors. Use your painting skills to paint and shade. For the design part also, I used these acrylic paints, but they had thin consistency, so I used chalk paint. Chalk paint has thick consistency and matte finishing. I painted this leaf-like design green to symbolize Bodhi tree leaf, under which Gautam Buddha attained enlightenment. After drying, always apply second coat for smooth finishing. Select some nice choice of colors to make your art stand out and to evoke the desired emotions. I am using this metallic golden color to highlight the head curls. Using dry brush effect, give nice highlight. After finishing painting, give white touch-up wherever required. Coloring part is done. At this stage you can apply clear varnish to protect the artwork and to enhance its colors. Also apply varnish at the back as MDF board absorbs moisture and develop fungus in rainy days. Now let's move into the final phase, that is applying mirrors. Apply glue and stick mirrors. I applied different shapes of mirror. Every mirror adds sparkling element to the pattern. After sticking mirrors, wipe the mirror with clean cloth to remove fingerprints and stains. To hang this Lippan art, I bought these hooks. You can find this type of frame hook on Amazon and Meesho. All this material link I will provide in the description. With that, my Buddha Lippan art is ready. It takes patience, but the final outcome will worth all your sweat. The joy of creating something is truly a bliss. Hope this video taught you something new today. Do subscribe for more creative videos. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and share your thoughts in comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Come on people, it only takes few seconds for that. Also share this video with your creative friends. Let them also try it. With that said, I'll take your leave. Till we meet next time, be creative and keep creating. Peace.